Hi, hello, welcome back in this video. There's something special about a car that's been through it all. A car that holds memories, dreams, and stories of the open road. Today we're bringing you the story of one such car, a 1965 Ford Mustang GT, a symbol of freedom, adventure, and family legacy. This isn't just any Mustang. It's Leo's Mustang, a car that once ruled the roads, carried young love, and created lifelong memories. But for years, it's been hidden away here, waiting for its story to be told once again. Today, we're not just uncovering an old car, we're uncovering a legacy. This is the story of Leo, his grandson Max, and their journey to revive a piece of family history. Buckle up, because you're in for a ride down memory lane. Let's begin the story of the last original Mustang in 1965. Before moving into the story, please subscribe to channel. Let's move into the story.
In a small town tucked away from the hustle of city life, there was a quiet garage belonging to an old mechanic named Leo. He was known for his unmatched passion for cars, and in his garage sat a true relic, a 1965 Ford Mustang GT, rusted yet regal, with memories etched into its worn-out leather seats and chipped paint. This Mustang was special. It was the last in its original, untouched form, a car that had witnessed decades of changing roads, evolving designs, and countless memories. Leo had bought it as a young man in his 20s when the world felt boundless, and every drive was an adventure. He had taken it on cross-country trips, driven it under moonlit skies, and even proposed to his wife in it. But as the years rolled by, the Mustang's engine grew tired, and life's responsibilities took over. Yet Leo couldn't bear to let it go. To him, the Mustang was more than just a car, it was a vessel of memories, a companion. He promised himself that one day he'd restore it to its original glory. One summer, Leo's grandson, Max, came to visit. Max was fresh out of college, full of energy and dreams of working in the automotive world. He grew up listening to Leo's stories about the Mustang and was fascinated by the thought of it roaring down highways in its prime. When he saw the car in the garage, however, he barely recognized it from his grandfather's stories. The once shining red paint was faded, and the chrome details were dull and corroded. "Grandpa," Max asked, "why don't we bring her back to life?" Leo hesitated. He wasn't sure if the car could ever be the same. But Max's enthusiasm was contagious. They rolled up their sleeves and decided to restore the Mustang together. As they worked side by side, Leo shared stories he hadn't told anyone in years. Max learned about the thrill of classic car culture, the intricacies of vintage engines, and even about the time his grandfather got a speeding ticket in the very car they were now restoring. Piece by piece, the Mustang began to look like itself again. The engine, though old, purred back to life with their combined efforts. They polished the chrome, repainted the body, and carefully reupholstered the seats. It took months, but neither of them noticed the time pass by. When the day finally arrived to take it out on the road, the Mustang gleamed as it had decades before. Leo and Max hopped in, with Leo at the wheel, and together they went for a drive down the same roads Leo had traveled in his youth. As they cruised down the highway, the wind in their hair and the roar of the engine filling the air, Max realized that this wasn't just a car. It was a legacy, a piece of his family's history, a testament to perseverance, and a reminder of the simple joy of the open road. They spent the rest of the summer showing the Mustang at car shows, where it became a local legend. People gathered around, admiring its polished curves and listening to Leo's stories of its past. But for Leo and Max, the Mustang was more than just a showpiece. It was a bridge between generations, a symbol of dreams, and a reminder that some things, like the spirit of adventure, never grow old.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this story and want more amazing car stories, restoration tips, and automotive insights, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Let us know in the comments if you have a story like this one car. Thanks for watching.